Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. In this short video, we want to learn how we can find error in slope. This is very important for those doing practical physics. So let's take a look at this graph. And say we've plotted a graph and we've been able to draw our line of best fit. So this line we have here is our line of best fit. And why is it qualified to be called your line of best fit? Because you've drawn it in a way such that the points that are not accommodated are evenly distributed. So if you look closely, you will notice we have 3 unaccommodated points and we distributed them equally or evenly so that we have 2 on this side, 1 on this side, which is even. Assuming you have done it in a way that you have these 3 unaccommodated points on the same side, then this would no longer serve as your line of best fit. So first, this is our line of best fit. We want to see how we can get error in slope. The formula for calculating error in slope is SG equals 4W divided by NR, where in this formula, W represents the vertical scatter, then N represents the number of data points, which in this case is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then R represents the range, horizontal range. That is the difference between the highest point and the lowest point, the horizontal range. So how do we find our vertical scatter? So very simple. What you're going to do is to draw a parallel line, a line parallel to your best fit. Since we have 2 points and that parallel line, you're drawing it from the unaccommodated point. And since you have 2 points on this side, you take the point that is farthest from your best fit. So I'll take this and draw a parallel line. Notice that I'm using freehand. Then I'll draw this. Then I have another point unaccommodated above. I'll draw a parallel line this way, this way. So these 2 lines are what we know as vertical scatter. So what is the next thing I want to do? I want to draw a straight line like this, and this straight line should be parallel to your vertical axis. So you trace this to this point, trace this to this point. Say you have a value 70 on this point, then you have a value 30 on this point. It means that your vertical scatter W would be equal to 70 minus 30. So with this, you've gotten your vertical scatter. Then you can use the formula SG equals 4W over NR, where N is 6 in this case. R is going to be the highest minus the lowest point. With this, you've been able to get your error in slope. I believe it is clear. Thanks for watching Prime Concept.